Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to speak to you about a new study published in the distinguished and renowned Nature Communications. Revealed that three interventions acclaimed by longevity experts to slow aging have been proven ineffective. In other words, they do not slow aging. Okay? The study stated the distinction between symptomatic and causal effects on aging is of fundamental importance, yet it is often ignored. Claiming that an intervention slows aging simply based on a reduction of specific age-related pathologies or other related features is not sufficient. Okay. Researchers developed a new method of measuring aging to account for the complexity of aging in organisms. The study conducted an exhaustive investigation of three purported interventions that have been widely accepted by the longevity industry to slow the aging process. Okay? However, testing these three strategies in mice proved largely ineffective in reducing their age. Okay? There is no internal clock of aging that you can regulate with a simple switch, at least not in the form of the interventions examined here, concluded the lead scientist in the study, Dr. Dan Heringer. The researchers have developed a new scientific tool, okay, to measure anything that may influence the aging process. Okay? The three well-known alleged longevity interventions the researchers investigated in this study are intermittent fasting, inhibition of mTOR, which is also the target of the assumed longevity drug rapamycin, and third one is the inhibition of growth hormone. Okay? Many people who are longevity experts have been hypnotized also use similar interventions, although their efficacy concerning aging are yet to be satisfactorily proven. Okay? To measure aging in mice, the scientists devised a new approach. This is very good. Okay? The lead scientist, Mr. Heringer, stated that in the last 20 years or so, researchers have used lifespan as an indirect measure of aging. Okay? For example, how old do mice get? And how can their life be extended? Or their lifespan. Okay? Longevity researchers usually believe that if they live longer, they will also age more slowly. That's what they're going, that's what they're thinking today. Okay? But as Dr. Heringer put it, mice did not die from old age, but most mice die from specific diseases, such as other organisms. For example, approximately 90% of mice die from tumors formed in their bodies as they age. The lead scientist further commented that if you looked at the whole genome for characteristics that make mice live longer, cancer-suppressing genes will likely be the most common factor found, not necessarily those that promote aging generally. Okay? As a result, the study focused on age-related changes in a wide range of bodily functions rather than on lifespan. And this is the exact procedure the researchers applied to the animal subjected to each of the three interventions claimed to slow aging, the ones used in this study. Okay? As the mice aged, each life stage was examined and compared. How much does each bodily function typically change at a given stage of their lives? And do the bodily functions change more slowly when the mice are put on one of these three interventions? This is exactly how they investigated this. The study design made it possible to determine precisely whether the aging process can be slowed. Okay? The results were clear. Intermittent fasting, mTOR, and growth hormone inhibition directly impacted age-related characteristics, but in no way slowed aging. The study effectively used the three interventions on young mice before the appearance of age-related problems. This proved that the effectiveness of the interventions provided general health-promoting effects and did not trigger age-related mechanism. Now, what's my take on this study? Although this study was done on mice, okay, so were the studies that claimed that intermittent fasting, mTOR inhibition, and growth hormone inhibition slowed aging. So it's equal field here. If the results of this study pass muster in the longevity industry, there will be a lot of hair pulling by the so-called longevity experts claiming that eating high-protein diets will activate mTOR and shorten lifespan. I already made a video on this issue. You can look in the upper right corner if you wish to look at it. Also, those claiming intermittent fasting activates autophagy and extends lifespan, we'll have to go back to the drawing board. And those claiming that growth hormone signaling accelerates aging and shortens lifespan, we'll also have a lot of explaining to do. Applying the results of this study, I've said it before about applying with the biological age test. Just because you put blood biomarkers in a healthy range does not mean you reversed age. You simply are in a healthier state. You did not trigger an aging mechanism. Okay. In addition, I'll leave you with this. If intermittent fasting can really slow aging, why haven't millions of people in the past who have practiced this type of diet as part of their culture not lived to 120 years or more? Thank you for watching, and see you very soon in my next video. Have a great day. The Road to 120.